Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Hi both guys, Nomkhosi, her blindness was clearly not enough. Usayabona ugeli, her sight is back, and listen, she is back to her old ways, you guys. Ngalana ke uNomkhosi ucela ukuthi isidumbu sikakhulekane guys ukuthi basikumbe. Imagine cause ufuna ukubona indoda yakhe ugeli. Dalana-ke uMaMzobe ufuna isikhwama sakhe, guys. She was saying, or in the trailer of this week, of Umkhokha the Curse, guys, we see that uMaMzobe is having a conversation with Nomkhosi, and she's like, ngizodinga isikhwama manje. Hayibo girlie, like hayibo uMaMzobe, guys, she doesn't know when to stop, and I'm just like Nomkhosi no MaMzobe. That duo nje, guys. Well, it's going to be an interesting week ahead. Guys, tell me your thoughts on your expectations of this week of Umkhokha. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.